start warming up a little. Did she used to be? Oh, smile, baby. So mean. And off we are, walking down the walkway bridge. This is our little walk. We're starting our little walk. We actually are starting over here on this side. I don't know if we're gonna do the whole little walkway bridge. It's about a mile long. Here in Poughkeepsie is actually over the Hudson River. It's actually really, really pretty, especially at night. You can see the Mid-Hudson Bridge from here. But yeah, me and my little fat honey are actually on our little walk across the Hudson. It's foggy out, like you can't even see the water really. You're trying to get up close so I can see the water. This is the walkway bridge.